Welcome to this Easy Tech News channel, and of course, two little things that are related to Google today. The first one, of course, is the one that a lot of people were talking about earlier. If you were trying to log into YouTube, if you were trying to log into Google accounts in some way or Gmail, one of the things that was a problem is there was no you couldn't just log it. Services weren't working. So there was a worldwide outage today, December 14th, with Google services. Lasted a few hours, and now things are supposed to be back to normal as of the posting of this video. Another thing that I wanted to share about Google also is the fact that Google has announced that the employees of their different headquarters around the world, but mainly in the United States, that the employees would actually work from home up to September of 2021. So this is going to be interesting to see after that, as we now have a vaccine that is promising to change everything and maybe bring us back to a regular, more normal world. So Google has stated that the employees will be working from home up to September 2021. So this is an extension. They already had said that they would, have employees work from home. I think something just like until the summer, but now they're extending that a couple of months or a few months. Maybe they're looking at the way things are going with the vaccine and kind of looking at how long will it take for everything to come back to a certain normal. So this is going to be interesting to check out. But employees will be working from home a little longer, and I think a lot of employees like that. It's interesting because in workplaces, a lot of people also miss the interactions with others. So it's not everybody that's happy to work from home, but a recent survey says that the majority of people do enjoy working from home. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.